Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my affirmations list and audio Rampage email is down below. And my membership YouTube channel with more exclusive manifestation content is linked below. And my Master Manifestation Workshop where you can get programs, ebooks, boot camps to transform your self-concept, to transform your SP, money, anything that you want that thousands of people are using to get results in their reality is linked below. And today we're going to be doing a rampage for movement, manifesting movement in your reality, things shifting along. Here you go. You always receive movement in your reality. Everything is always shifting. Your reality conforms instantly. The second you affirm, the second you visualize, the second you script, it manifests instantly. The second you do a technique, it manifests instantly. You are always seeing shifts. Your affirmations are always reflecting. Your techniques are always reflecting. Whatever you think reflects instantly. Any command you give to your reality gets reflected instantly. You are always seeing your manifestations. You have your manifestations right now. You have your manifestations right now. You have your manifestations right now. You have received all of the signs, all of the evidences that everything is working. You know everything is working. You are secure that everything is working. You believe that everything is working. You know that your reality only conforms in the best way. You know that your reality only conforms in your favor. You allow your reality to conform. You never contradict. You never waver. You never spiral. You never doubt. You never check. You never reaffirm circumstances. You are always 10 toes down in the assumption that everything is moving and everything is moving fast. Movement is always happening in your reality. You are receiving your desires left and right and left. Your reality is blowing up in the best way. Your success duplicates itself, quadruples itself. You wake up to success every single day. You are successful. You are the limitless creator in your reality. You are God of your reality. You are the goddess of your reality. You are the operant power of your reality. Your mind is so powerful. Your mind moves mountains. Your mind is limitless. You think something and it manifests instantly. You always have evidences of your assumptions. You always stay on track with your assumptions. You're always sure in yourself. You're always sure in your abilities. You believe in manifestation 100% and you know it works. It works for you. Manifestation is so easy. Manifestation is as easy as breathing. Getting movement is as easy as breathing. Getting your reality to be the way you want it to be is as easy as breathing. Your reality reflects your exact affirmations right now. Your reality reflects your exact visuals right now. Your reality reflects your techniques right now. Your reality is reflecting this rampage right now. You're receiving movement right now. You're seeing movement right now. Everything is moving for you right now. It is all going your way. It is all coming fast. Your reality transforms overnight. You believe in overnight success because that's all you receive. You literally receive success overnight. Your reality completely transforms overnight. You wake up to your desires. You go to sleep to your desires. Your desires hit you in the face. They just show up. Your desires are dropping out of the sky for you. Your reality is moving in the exact way you want, and it's all happening super fast, and it's all happening right now. Everything you want is happening in the way that you want it right now. Your reality always listens to you. Your 3D always listens to you. Your physical reality always listens to you. Your physical reality always conforms in lightning speed. You always get exactly what you want. You never doubt. You never are unsure. You know that you're the operant power of your reality. You are so sure. Your desires are so inevitable to you. You know your desires are yours. You are so sure. You are in the wish fulfilled. You're not accepting any other reality than the one that you want. You know circumstances don't matter. Circumstances don't mean anything. Circumstances don't stop you from experiencing anything. Your past doesn't stop you from experiencing anything. Your past does not matter. Your circumstances don't matter. And they're all favorable. You've always had the best reality. Circumstances have always been favorable. Everything is conforming. Your SP is conforming. Your money is conforming. Your appearance is conforming. Your school. You have your residency. You have your job. You have your house. You have your car. You have your dream body. You have good health. You have the most amazing kids. You have the most amazing friendships, family life. Everything in your reality from head to toe is amazing. It is always amazing for you. Anytime you look to your reality, it is always reflecting exactly what you want. You never have to worry because you always have the dream reality. You have your dream reality right now. You have your desired reality right now. Movement is happening right now, and you are seeing everything you want in your reality right now. You have already received it right now. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.